Paleo Grubs book review. You made a wise decision for clicking the link to read the Paleo Grubs book review to know more before you spend your money on this paleo recipes book. What is the Paleo Grubs book review? The Paleo Grubs book is an excellent paleo recipe book with over 470 savory recipes in 17 categories, making it one of the most comprehensive paleo recipe books. The Paleo Grubs book should be seen as the best paleo cookbook you can get your hands on with easy-to-prepare recipes, even if you don't have much cooking experience. The slow cooker meals consist of sides, soups, snack and healthy desserts including short ribs, chicken cacciatore, braised beef and red onion relish. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. What is paleo? Paleo must be seen as back to basics, eating food without all the unhealthy additives. Paleo is the foundation for a healthy diet with unprocessed foods, nuts, pesticide-free vegetables, free-range poultry, wild-caught fish, and grass-fed meat. Paleo-friendly foods don't include processed foods, dairy products, grains, legumes and sugar but include lean meat, fruits, nuts, vegetables, seeds, and fish. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients that have been shown to decrease the development of degenerative diseases. Paleo gluten-free desserts. The paleo desserts consist of 45 healthy and delicious gluten-free desserts including blackberry almond bars, strawberry shortcake and peach cobbler. With the paleo lifestyle you'll eat healthier and more delicious recipes without focusing too much on losing weight, but more on the benefits of nutritious foods. Click the link below for visit official site. Benefits of eating paleo food. The benefits of eating paleo food are, weight loss, feeling happier and satisfied, blood pressure control, improved heart health. The meals come with detailed pictures and easy-to-follow instructions, and are suitable for people who are gluten-sensitive or with autoimmune disorders. Bonus #110-week meal plan. Pre-planned paleo breakfasts, lunches, dinners and snacks, including shopping lists for each week. Bonus number 2, paleo desserts. 40 healthy and delicious gluten-free and dairy-free desserts. Bonus number 3, slow cooker meals. 30 easy-to-prepare paleo meals, sides and snacks. Pros, affordable priced. No paying for shipping, handling, packing. Step-by-step instructions. Detailed pictures. Cons, this paleo cookbook is only available as download on the internet, not in hardcover. For more information, click the link below.